What's good? You know, he knows, she know, it's Lingo in the cup with my first banger on this channel, you feel me? So what I'm gonna be doing for y'all today is I'm gonna be hopping on the Monkeyapp and I'm gonna ask 10 random females to rate me based off looks, so whatever. The thing is, it's gonna have a twist. 5 of them I'm gonna ask with my regular voice that you hear me talking with right now, American. 5 of them I'm gonna ask with a British accent, UK, English, whatever you wanna call it. But yeah, we just gonna see how this works out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. All support is appreciated. And you dig, we gonna get straight to the video.
Still juggling this shit. Ooh, hop in that motherfucking phone, and that motherfucker be wrong. Big gun, big yeah, Sean.
Alright, so like I said, y'all, I'ma just start it out with my regular voice. And I'm holding the other phone because I'm too lazy to actually set it up. So we just finna see how this go. Probably like 7s or something. What's up? I had a quick question for you. What would you rate me from 1 through 10? 8.5. I'll take that. What's up with you? I got a quick question.
Yeah.
What would you rate me from 1 through 10?
10.
You said 10?
Yes.
Alright. Not too shabby for an American. What's up?
What's up?
I got a quick question.
What's the question?
What would you rate me from 1 through 10?
7.
Alright. What's up with you? I had a quick question for you. What would you rate me from 1 through 10?
Where would I rate you?
Yeah, from 1 through 10. I forgot to add time. What's up? They should probably unplug their Wi-Fi from the McDonald's chicken nugget.
Nigga.
Y'all think that's funny. What's good with y'all? Alright then. What's up?
Hey.
I had a quick question. What would you rate me from 1 through 10?
I'll give you a 10.
A 10?
A 9.
A 9. 9 and a 10. Alright, appreciate that.
You're welcome.
So far, the Americans winning. I ain't trying to start no world war over a Monkeyapp, but you feel me? It's whatever. What's up? I have a quick question for you.
Yes.
What would you rate me from 1 through 10?
I'll give you a 10.
10. Perfect. So appreciate that. Alright. What's up? I got a quick question. What would you rate me from 1 through 10? 9.5. I appreciate you. What's up? Ain't y'all the same? Could have sworn I just seen y'all from somewhere. They start them young in New York. What's up? I got a quick question.
What is it?
What would y'all rate me from 1 through 10?
I said,
Oh my god, bro. It just froze, bro. That's tough. What's up? I ain't doing nothing. I got a quick question. What would you rate me from 1 through 10? 10. Appreciate that. I still can't believe I'm too lazy to actually set the phone up, bro. I think that's what you're supposed to do. But it's whatever. I got 5 for the regular American accent. Now it's time for the British. Right, so we're gonna get right to it. If they can realize that it's a fake accent, I'll just let the time run out. Put it up a little bit more. Excuse me, I have a quick question for you. What would you rate me from 1 through 10? You said +3, right? 7. I have a quick question for you.
you took wrong and something. Goddamn application.
Why does everybody think I'm grown, bro? Like, fuck.
Wait down.
How you doing?
Good.
I have a quick question for you.
Yeah.
What would you rate me from 1 through 10?
1 through 10.
1 through
A
10.
9.
9. Right. I almost let the accent go, but I don't even know if I'm doing it right, to be honest. It's just for entertainment purposes. If you in the UK and you watching this video, you probably not. But it's just for entertainment, bro. I know I'm not. I don't sound like y'all, probably. Hello, how are you doing today? Right. I have a quick question to ask. What would you rate me from 1 through 10?
You're a YouTuber, right?
I was just asking a question. What would you rate me from 1 through 10? Hmm? 10. Bro, don't nobody know about They probably think they going on like some
Down. Him,
whatever. Hello, how are you doing today? Alright then. Hello, how are you doing today?
Hey,
I have a quick question.
what's up?
What would you rate me from 1 through 10?
Oh, wait, let me add time. Add time. I can't even see you.
You can't see me. Is this better?
Oh.
It's only 10 numbers. Don't be shy now.
Yeah, yeah, I say like a 7.
7, 8. You said
7,
what?
8, 7.
So both of you say 7 and 8, right?
Yeah.
All right. All right, y'all have a good one now.
Rate me with accent.
Hmm?
You have an accent?
A little bit.
Oh my angel! What? You heard his accent?
I mean, when I talk a lot, you can hear a little bit more, but...
Oh yeah, I hear it.
Bro, I don't think it sounds that convincing, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. Damn, my phone. I don't think it sounds very convincing. But, you know, it's whatever. Hello, I have a quick question.
Oh, what?
I was just asking, what would you rate me from 1 through 10?
10. You fine. 10, 100.
Us Englishmen get the women every day. Teach you young chaps how to do it. True. Bro, I think this shit is hella cringy, bro. If you're watching this and you cringing, bro, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The grind does not stop. Hello, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
What would you make me from 1 through 10?
15.
You said a 15.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing.
Girl, go ahead and hit that button.